Hello and welcome to our learning to cook pizza journey, and today I'm going to be looking at the difference between three OonI pizza stones: the Ooni Fyra 12, the Karu 12 and the OonI Koda 12. I'm going to be careful now I don't mix them up but I know that my OonI Koda stone is a lot dirtier than my new Ooni Fyra one. Now there is a difference between these three stones. The OonI Karu 12 stone is thicker, which is better for heat retention. Now I'm going to take the OonI Karu one out and show you the other two together. You can hear crunching, it's him. So they're the same depth, the same height. Let's see if they're the same size. They're the same size, so yes, you can use the Ooni Fyra 12 stone in the OonI Koda 12 or vice versa because they are the same size. Let's check to see how they fit in the OonI Karu 12. I have now put the OonI Koda 12 stone into the OonI Karu 12 and it fits. It's a bit lower on the lip. With the OonI Karu, the stone comes to the level of this lip. But here, as you can see, it's down a bit. See, it's a bit down. So it's not level, which may give you some, when you're rotating and it's not level. It's nicer to have it level, personally, but it still fits in there very well. So that's the OonI Koda 12 stone in the OonI Karu 12. So here we have the OonI Fyra 12 stone in the OonI Karu 12. And as with the OonI Koda 12 stone, there is again the lip difference because it's the same size stone as the OonI Koda 12s. But it does fit, so you can use it, but it is lower. So here we've got the OonI Fyra 12. I'm now going to see if I can fit the OonI Karu 12 stone in the OonI Fyra 12. No, the OonI Karu 12 stone does not fit into the OonI Fyra 12. I'll try it the other way. Nope, it won't fit. But as you would expect, the OonI Koda 12 stone does fit in the OonI Fyra 12 because they're the same size. So that's the OonI Koda 12 stone in the OonI Fyra 12. And this is the OonI Fyra 12 stone, so I'm going to see if it fits into the OonI Koda 12. Does. With the OonI Koda 12, the lip is above the front of the oven. Does the OonI Karu 12 stone fit in the OonI Koda 12? It didn't fit in the OonI Fyra 12, but will it fit in the OonI Koda 12? Yes, it does. So the OonI Karu 12 stone fits into the OonI Koda 12 but not the OonI Fyra 12. It does raise the pizza up closer to the top of the oven. Because there's no lip, it sits on the top of the base here. But it does give you a thicker stone for your pizza cook, if that's what you're looking for. The OonI Karu 12 stone does not fit in the OonI Fyra 12, but it does fit into the OonI Koda 12 pizza oven. So I hope you found this video useful, comparing the three 12-inch pizza oven stones. I hope you found it useful because there were some things I wasn't aware of. It's handy to know in case you need a replacement stone or you're looking for a thicker stone for your OonI Koda 12. If you enjoyed the video, please subscribe. Take care, and I'll see you soon. Bye.